Agron Remedies Private Limited, a pharmaceutical company which is having almost 37 years now in the pharmaceutical field. And we have almost 9 divisions where we are operating. And we have all the sections which are with us: tablet, capsules, syrups, ointment, injections. Moreover, we have 3 factories in Uttarakhand. We are having pan-India operations and domestic. We are doing exports to almost 15 countries now. And we have got institution sales to almost all the state and central governments. And we have divisions: Ayurvedic, allopathic, veterinary, herbal, classical also. So, and moreover, we have WHO GMP certification also. We are participating in IPHEX since I think its inception also. And we are happy that we are part of IPHEX, as well as we are contributing and they are also contributing. We are complementary to each other. Thanks to IPHEX on this part. And we hope that we will have a long lasting relationship with IPHEX in coming years also. Thank you very much.